Welcome back, guys. So right now we are still on themes and plugins. So right now I want to shop for themes and plugins. That is, I want to list out the themes and plugins we'll be needing for this particular project. Yes, basically. So let me go to my Google Keep. Let me try to list out the themes and plugins I'll be needing for this very project, so you could get to see how I get to go about it. So let me start a project. Let me start a note. So let's say business knob e-commerce project, of course, e-commerce project. Okay, so let's say you want to write a quotation for your client, or you want to build a website or an e-commerce website. These are things you need to do. Of course, you need to have your iteration of things you'll be needing, or the basic things you'll be needing. So the first thing I'm going to need is my core theme. Yes, core theme helps me layer my website, helps me build the interface of my website. So the theme I want to use is Sway Multipurpose theme. Of course, Sway Multipurpose theme. And the plugins I'll be needing. So let's see. So let's say I'll be needing the plugins, the page builder. So let's say a page builder, of course. So page builders are often always compatible with theme, but with this very Sway multipurpose theme, WP Bakery is the theme or the page builder you will use. WP Bakery, of course. So that will be that. Let me see which other theme. An alternative for this, let's say an alternative for this very, let me give you an alternative in case you want to build your own e-commerce website. So an alternative is mod free. Yes, an alternative is mod free theme. It's a specified theme. An alternative for this, because mod free goes with Elementor, so an alternative for this is Elementor. Yes, Elementor Pro. So what else do I need? I need plugins as well for SEO. So I use AIO SEO basically. Yes, I use AIO SEO, but an alternative is Yoast. Yes, Yoast. So that will be for SEO. So let's put it there. We have page builder, we have theme for SEO as well. Okay, so we have the page builder, we have theme for SEO. So we're going to have this. Okay, so we have another plugin we would need. The other plugin we would need is the e-commerce plugin. So this is to power the sales, the product listing, and everything about your website. So we call it WooCommerce. Okay, WooCommerce is the only thing that powers your website. So we call it WooCommerce. So now we have those. So those are the basic ones we do need right now. Every other one we need, we can always get them much more later. So how do you get all this? So let me come to where I told you I used to get from, which is store.buildcreative.com. So let me shop for themes right here. So I'll go to my themes and plugins. So for instance, this is AIO SEO. I could easily come here to get that. And for instance, if you want to use Elementor Pro, you could easily come here to get that. If you want to use WP Bakery, you could easily come here to get that. Yes. So this is Sway multipurpose theme that I want to use. Of course, I could get that as well. So let's see. So I don't have any other theme here. What do I do? Let me start searching for theme. Let me start searching for the other things. So right now we have Sway. We've not gotten mod free. So let me try to search for that. Let me try to search for mods free. Yes, so let me search for that. If I would, I think the name is not correct. The name is not correct. Let's see. So yes, is mat free. So this is mat free. The alternative for this is mat free. Seems right here are almost the same prices. So is mat free. So let's see. We've gotten Sway. We've gotten mat free. Is either of these you would use, either you use this or you use this, but I'm going with this in this course. And page builder, we've gotten WP Bakery or Elementor Pro. If you're going for this, you're going to use Elementor Pro. If you're going for this, you're going to use WP Bakery. Since we are going for this, we'll be using WP Bakery. These you can choose anyone you want to choose. We've chosen AIO SEO, but if you want Yoast as well, you could search for it right here. You'll see Yoast. So just search for it. This one will be used for SEO. So you can search for Yoast. You'll see Yoast right here as well. So here is Yoast. So you see Yoast theme as well, which is an SEO plugin. Sorry, a plugin. So you see it right here, the same amount. All you have to do is to add it to cart. When you add to cart, you'll be able to view your cart and you'll be able to check out what you just bought. So you just proceed to check out. So this is that. And which other thing do we need? We need e-commerce. WooCommerce is free. These ones are premium option. There is free option for this one. There is free option for this one. There is no free option for this one. These ones are both paid things, so you need to get them from an external website. So this is free. WooCommerce is free. So how do we get WooCommerce? All you have to do is to come search it in your plugin directory on WordPress. So like I was showing you earlier on, so I could just search WooCommerce. You will see WooCommerce right here. So this is WooCommerce right here. So you'll be able to set up your WooCommerce. All you have to do is to install it. We are going to do that much more later, but for now, these are the list of things we need, and we can get them at a cheaper rate here on this particular website, which is store.billardcreative.com, or you look for billardcreative.com and come to the store option to get whatever you want to get. So there are other things on this store as well. If you want to go into other things, like if you want to use your Filmora Premium, if you want to build a website, if you want to get a Google AI Pro account, if you want to get unlimited video generator, if you want to get ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT Go private account, ChatGPT Business Plan at cheaper rates annually. So you can get them on this very store, as you can see right here. But that's besides the point. Right now, we've listed the themes we need. So I'm giving you an alternative, but then I could take out the alternative just to focus on the things I need myself. So I'm going to focus on the things I need basically. So this is WooCommerce, and these are the important things we need. So if you have to write a quotation, you have to write quotation for everything you just listed. If you want to build an e-commerce website a for someone or for a business, you have to list out things you need. So if you have to list out the full details of things you need, you start from your domain name. Of course, you need a domain name, which we've seen how to get domain name. And you need an hosting plan. Then you need these basic things to start the project. So you need to put all this in order and make sure you know what you want to do. So I hope to see you in the next lesson, where we get to start implementing all these things I just mentioned. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.